So let us do the simple interest program where we are going to calculate simple interest, and if we do that, we are going to again try how to calculate compound interest. So let us save this program again. We save as, now I'll write SI simple interest underscore CI compound interest dot C. So this program will calculate simple and compound interest. So for this, let us take a long variable as principal, that is P, and then for time in years we will take T as a long variable. Okay, so after that a double variable by the name of R, which is rate of interest, could be fraction 7.5. okay, and then SI for simple interest and CI for compound interest. So P is going to take the principal amount, T is going to give us the time in years, and R is going to give us rate of interest. It will store the rate of interest from user, and then these two values will be calculated. One is simple interest and another one is compound interest. So let us take three values at once. We know how to take all three values at once. Okay, we know the formats. So we'll write enter principal, rate of interest and time respectively. That means in the same sequence you have to enter the data. Now in scanf, the first value is principal, which is of long data type. We must specify the format of long here. So it is %LD for long, and then rate of interest will be again long float, which is double. Okay, so LF is the format, it is perfectly okay, and then for time it is again long, so it is %LD, and accordingly you have to specify the address of the variables where the values should go. So first value should go to principal, which will be stored in P, so address of P. Second value will go to rate of interest, will go to R variable, so address of R, and then the third value will go to the variable T, so address of T should be given here. So hope you have understood how the formats are arranged and how the values are taken into variables. Now we can apply the formula to calculate. So I'll remove all this, these are not needed. So I'll write SI simple interest, and then what is the formula of simple interest? You all know. You can put a bracket, though it is not needed. You can write P into R into T by 100. So the formula is PRT by 100. Okay, so for now let us just print the simple interest. If we can print it correctly, we'll go for the compound interest. So let us write simple interest followed by 0.2 LF, it is okay, and simple interest is stored in SI variable, and let us save and run. Let us give a value 10,000. Suppose 10,000 is the principal amount. Then rate of interest, let me take it as 10, and for how many years? Suppose it is 4 years. So 4,000 will be the interest. So let us hit enter and check. It is able to calculate the interest as 4,000. So let us now try out that compound interest formula. So for calculating compound interest, the formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So how to raise T to the power of 1 plus R by 100? So for this, we'll include a new header file, which is math.h. In math.h, we have a function called pow. The function pow is written like this. Let me show you the function first. POW followed by the base, comma, exponent, that is the power. Suppose if I want to write 2 to the power 3, in base I'll write 2, and in power I'll write 3. So this is the format. Now what is the base here? This is the base here. So we'll write POW within bracket. This is the base. We'll put a comma and write T. What it will do? It will calculate the amount, which includes the principal as well as the compound interest. That means amount is compound interest plus the principal. So we have to remove the principal or deduct the principal from this to get the compound interest. Yes or no? So I'll deduct P, which is the principal. Okay. Now we are going to get compound interest in the variable Ci. So here we'll write compound interest, and then instead of Si I can write Ci. Save, run the program. 10,000, 10% as the interest, and 3 years. So this is 3310 as the interest.